afternoon, everyone. I'm Tenzin Yankee from St. John's College of Nursing. I'm currently pursuing in third year GNM, and today we all watched a movie, which is 13th September. So it was a very, very heart-touching movie for all of us because it was so relatable and it was like showing the real professional nature of the nurses and all the films that the movies, the scenes and all. It was so good, and this type of movies are like it can be seen by all age of groups. Like children can also watch this type of movie so well because it is educated. It is also showing what is to be like a nurse, and it also showing the nature of humanity and all. And as a nurse, it was very, very heart touching because I, as a nurse, and we all have experienced lot of situations like this in a hospital settings or in any area during our community posting and all, because connecting with the patient is our main goal and promoting their well-being is our main goal, and that is what exactly has been shown in this movie. And we doing as nurses in St. John's, we have experienced lots of similar things regarding to this movie, and we are so pleasant and we have enjoyed this movie a lot. So thank you so much, sir, for this showing this movie to us, because without your efforts we would have not been able to see this movie. Thank you so much. And Shreya, I think her name is Shreya. Yeah, she acted so well. Her emotional was up to the mark and was very accordant to her act situation, and was very, very well played.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಲಾವಣ್ಯ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು, ಕಡೂರು ತಾಲೂಕು. ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಸಿಟಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಮೂವಿ ನೇಮು ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 13 ಅಂತ, ಫಾರ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ನರ್ಸಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಮೂವಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನರ್ಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡೋವಂಥ ಮೂವಿ ಇದು. ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ವೈಸು, ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕಲ್ ವೈಸ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಮೂವಿ ఉంది.
ಕಣ್ಣ ಮುಚ್ಚೆ ಕಾಡೆ ಗೋಡೆ ಆಡಿ ನಲಿದ ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ